Bright, beautiful afternoon.
Yeah, not a cloud in the sky, Jess. No shortage of sunshine today, but we have some subtle changes ahead of us as we move along for the next couple of days. So enjoy the sun while we have it now. We're not going to see quite as much of that in the coming days, but right now temperatures pretty balmy for this time of the day. We're cruising toward the low 50s, not too far from the seasonal average, but a little better than average at this point. 45 in Rochester, kind of a cool northeast breeze, 12 miles per hour. That's our Lewiston auto camera in downtown Rochester. 45 here in the Med City. Winona already 46. Mason City and Austin both on the precipice of reaching again into the 50s. Somewhere we enjoyed yesterday, at least a lot of those numbers in the 50s. Rochester reached 58 officially on Monday, the warmest day of 2020 so far. Today, running a little cooler than that. 45 right now, northeast winds, kind of a crisp breeze drawing in some slightly cooler air, so that's shaving off a couple degrees, even though we are seeing just as much sun now at this point as we did yesterday. It feels like 39. Air pressure is steady, 30.12 inches of mercury, so a cool northeast breeze, 8-mile-per-hour winds in Winona, Rochester, 12 gusting to 17 miles per hour. So a little more noticeable, certainly at this point, given the slightly cooler temperature regime. And so compared to this time yesterday, yeah, we had morning lows that were just about the same, but since then we've seen some changes compared to yesterday. Now 7 degrees colder at this hour in Rochester compared to noon on Monday. Mason City 7 degrees colder, and I expect those numbers to pan out for the afternoon to bear out to be in the same range, about 7 to 8 degrees cooler than those upper 50s and low 60s we experienced to start the work week. So yeah, like I said yesterday, the best day of the week. Today, not too bad, just maybe not quite as balmy, but we have some beautiful sunshine around the area. Not a cloud to be talking about right now at this point, but that again is going to change. We have high pressure pushing those northeast winds, slightly cooler air from the Great Lakes for today. Backdoor cold front went through the area yesterday, and so that front stalling out to our west. It's going to push back to the east as a warm front. We'll tap into some warmer air, but also have to deal with those clouds and showers that will be arriving from the plains over the next day or so. So breaks of showers and some sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 50s. A little breezier, a little warmer on Thursday. There will be a chance of a couple of brief light showers, especially in the afternoon. And Friday, windy and colder, and a chance of showers throughout much of the day, and will only be in the 40s. So about as warm as we are right now, but a whole lot breezier and a little wetter. So Friday, probably the least pleasant day of the week, but sunny and mild today, and looking at increasing rain chances. The weekend, not too bad. We'll have some sun and some seasonably cool weather. 45 in Rochester, 45 Eau Claire, Green Bay, only 36. So that cool air coming in from the heart of the Great Lakes certainly have some impact on the eastern half of the map. I need to west and southwest, though, a bit warmer. Sioux City 51, Omaha 59 right now. Plenty of sunshine for the afternoon, then a day planner topping out around 51 with those winds out of the east around 10 miles per hour. Outlook for the rest of the day 50s, and then we drop back to the mid 30s. Not quite as chilly as last night, as we will have some clouds and some showers rolling in around sunrise tomorrow. Watch that on Future Track. There's that sun. We're enjoying at least a pleasant day, low and mid 50s across the area for the rest of the day. A few gathering clouds come in late tonight. We'll have increasing cloud cover after midnight, and a very narrow band of rain comes in around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning ahead of that approaching storm system. But that looks to be the main rain chance tomorrow. After that, peaks of sunshine, a breezy, relatively comfortable day, around 50 degrees, or seasonable day, and extra clouds on Thursday. A few more scattered showers, most of that north of us at first, but more widespread rain will come in with that center of low pressure by afternoon. And then as the system moves through and its cold front moves through, they'll have some showers, maybe even a couple of wet snowflakes mixing in behind that cold front on Friday with the raw winds. Temperatures in the 40s, then we dry things out at least for the first 2/3 of the weekend, and from there we start a warming trend. And next week we may even see our first 60s, or at least widespread 60s of the year to date. That looks to be early next week, but not too strange for early April. I have some variety, 40s, 50s, and 60s the first week of April alone. But look for highs around 51 today in Rochester, Austin 52. Mostly sunny skies and that northeast breeze around 10 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy. You'll have the clouds increasing late, a few showers well after midnight, 34. And tomorrow, maybe a snowflake mixing with those sprinkles at first. We'll be in the 30s, but afternoon features at least a little bit of sun trying to break through, and a breezy southeast wind up to 20 miles per hour. Breezy again for Thursday with a chance of showers and rain likely Friday. Next week, some showers, maybe some thunderstorms, and very spring-like 50s and 60s, Jess.
Thank you, Chen. Love the sun.